Welcome to Homework Lib.
An awning that covers a sliding glass door that's 88 inches forms an angle of 50 degrees with the wall. The purpose of the awning is to prevent sunlight from entering the house when the angle of elevation is more than 80 degrees. So we want to find the length of the awning L to one decimal place. Well, if x is 80 degrees, then we know that this is a perpendicular situation, so that's 90 degrees, meaning inside of this triangle is 10 degrees, which would mean our final angle in the triangle would be 120 degrees because there has to be 180 degrees in a triangle. We want to find L. We can use the law of sines, which says that a side over the sine of an angle is proportional to another side. We'll take the 88 over the sine of its opposite angle, which would be 120 degrees. We could cross multiply the sine 10, and then we have L. So in a calculator in degree mode, we have 88 sine 10 over sine 120. And we get 17.6 inches to one decimal place. 17.6.